Organising your home can seem like an overwhelming process, but if you break it into manageable chunks and go through your possessions methodically, you can eliminate the stress. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organizetoexcel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for almost 15 years, and I'm here today to help you organise your home. Your home is unique, and how you organise it depends on the kind of lifestyle you have or want to have. Well, what's your style? Minimalists keep few possessions, leaving their space simple, free of distractions, and open to all sorts of possibilities. A minimalist home is very easy to maintain because you have few items to organise. If having a clear space makes you happy, you may be a minimalist. If you like feeling snug and safe, you enjoy a cozy lifestyle. You surround yourself with the things that you love that bring you comfort. Cozy homes have more items than minimalist homes, but each item is either necessary or special. Visual people who love seeing items displayed together are collectors. Collectors enjoy creating special spaces where they can see the things they love. Whether you collect baseball cards, coffee mugs, or indoor plants, you take the time to curate your items and show them off. Did you recognize yourself in one of those categories? Maybe you're a mixture of two. You have the freedom to choose your lifestyle, and then it's up to you to create the space that you love and that works for you. Organizetoexcel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website www.organizetoexcel.com.